Hey guys, it's Bart with Gulf Coast Marine. Today we're going over the Shallow Stalker CAT 204. Let's show you what she's capable of. With a whole shot of 8 inches with very little bow rise, this boat will get you on plane in the shallowest of water. With a reinforced center console that you can stand on, you can get a bird's eye view of the fish you're looking for. And after a hard day's fishing, you can pull up at the beach and relax.
If you guys are interested in this Shallow Stalker or any other boats like it, be sure to visit us on our website, gcmboats.com, or come see us in person today.